A hurricane starts over warm ocean water, usually in tropical areas. The water needs to be at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, about 27 degrees Celsius, for the storm to get going. When the sun heats up the water, it causes the water to evaporate and turn into warm, moist air. This air rises up, leaving behind a low-pressure area near the ocean's surface. As the warm air rises, cooler air from surrounding areas rushes in to fill the gap. This cooler air gets warmed up too, and it starts rising as well. This cycle keeps going, and soon you have a lot of warm, moist air rising into the sky. The higher it goes, the cooler it gets, causing the moisture in the air to condense into cloud. This process also releases heat, which makes the air rise even faster. Now, as the rising warm air spins due to Earth's rotation, it starts to create a circular motion. This spinning motion helps shape the storm, and winds begin to spiral around the center of the storm. The storm gets stronger as it sucks in more warm air, growing bigger and bigger. Eventually, if the conditions are just right, the storm becomes a full-fledged hurricane. At the center of a hurricane, there's a calm area called the eye. While the winds around the eye are fierce, the eye itself is usually calm with clear skies. But surrounding the eye is the most dangerous part of the hurricane, called the eye wall. This is where the strongest winds and heaviest rains occur. As long as the hurricane stays over warm water, it will keep getting stronger. But once it moves over land or cooler water, it begins to weaken because it no longer has the warm, moist air to fuel it. Eventually, the storm will break apart, but by that time, it might have caused a lot of damage from strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surges. That's how a hurricane forms, grows, and eventually dies out.